Hello guys, good evening, good morning, good afternoon for wherever you are watching from. It's me once again, Fantastic Deba. So today we are going to be doing that perfect Nigeria Puff-Puff with a twist. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let us go into the recipe. So here we have our all-purpose flour, we have our sugar, we have our old milk, salt, dry yeast. Then this is the twist I'm talking about with a powder milk. Then we have our vanilla flavor. So first and foremost, we add in our all-purpose flour. So our sugar, add to your taste. Then our salt. Then we'll be adding our powder milk. This is going to be milky puff-puff. Then we'll be adding our dry yeast. Let's mix. We are going to mix properly. Remember, whenever you are doing your puff-puff, you need to filter the flour. I've already filtered it behind the camera, okay? Not for anything, or because of the insect that normally comes out of flour, or to also make your mixing more flexible for you. So that is it. We'll be adding our warm milk. Warm, not hot but warm. Okay, before adding it, so let me put in our flavor. I'll be putting in 1 tablespoon. You can use any flavor of your choice. It must not be vanilla. You can also use nutmeg or any other flavor of your choice. So we are going to mix. So I'm still trying to mix it again. So we need to cover it, then allow it to rise for 40 to 1 hour. Okay. So let's check if it's ready. Okay, now as you can see, it's ready. So let's start frying. So just trying to turn it together. Okay, I don't like scooping with my hand, so this is what I will be using. Okay, so you can as well scoop with your hand, but me, I don't like it. So let's go. But this one's already. So guys, this is it. We have done with our Nigeria Puff-Puff. So beautiful, yummy, delicious. So let's give it a taste. Look at that, guys. This is so perfect. Wow, do you see that, guys? So yummy as well. So if you have not watched my previous video of my mug tea, please go and check it out and make one for yourself and your family and use it to take it down. So please guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well and subscribe, like and share to your families and loved ones and be part of this family. Thank you and God bless you.